a very exciting time for our school district and for the Legacy campus. We are so grateful to the voters for passing our 2025 bond. Because of the voters, this phase 2 of our Legacy campus will enable us to provide even more pathways to success after high school graduation for our students. When our students find something that they are incredibly passionate about in their high school experience, all of the research shows us that they do better in everything else. Their attendance goes up, their academic performance goes up. It's so important for our kids to find that thing that they are really, really passionate about.
This project reflects the community's support of these programs, and the willingness of the community to fund this shows the value that the community believes that these programs have for our students. JHL, we believe so strongly in this that we've partnered with Douglas County schools beyond our construction contract. So we will be engaging with the curriculum of the construction trades program, providing exposure to students to construction pathways inside our industry. There's many different talents and skill sets that can be applied. And we're also going to be providing internship opportunities for students coming out of, or that are in or coming out of the program.
It's been 834 days since we cut the ribbon on Legacy campus, but who's counting? In that time, this place has become so much more than bricks and glass. Legacy has grown into a vibrant community where students find their purpose, where education and industry intersect, and where passion truly connects with pathway. Today, with the launch of this expansion, we're proud to introduce 4 new programs and the incredible instructors who will lead them. Our construction trades program led by Anthony Stock. Our electrical technology program led by Mr. Mike Schallenberger. Our advanced manufacturing aerospace program led by Stephen Morgan. And our automotive technology program led by Brad Wheaton. These programs and the remarkable educators behind them represent the heart of Phase 2 at Legacy. They are more than courses. They are pathways to purpose and prosperity for our students and our community. As we break ground on Phase 2, we're not expanding a building, we're expanding opportunity, we're expanding possibility. There's a line that asks, legacy. What is a legacy? It's planting seeds in a garden you never get to see. That's what this moment represents. Each brick, each partnership, each class, and each dream nurtured here is a seed. One that will grow long after we're gone and in the lives and futures of our students. What we build today will shape tomorrow.